if you're anything like me, shopping for clothing sucks. One, it's depressing when nothing fits you in the store, and it doesn't matter whether you have a muscular build or just, an athletic build or even a slightly larger build. It's depressing. It makes you feel fat, it makes you feel abnormal going from hanger to hanger, trying on things that don't fit properly. Which is why I absolutely love the Olympvs jeans that I did a review of a few months ago. I'll be doing a follow-up of those 6 months on to let you know how I'm getting on with these, because they've seen pretty much daily wear. Today I'm having a look at their Muscle Fit shirts, which are really damn nice. So it's really difficult to get me into a shirt. Anyone who's seen me at expos knows I tend to wear just plain black shirts, t-shirt shirts, with some tidy jeans and shoes at best. And that's because, unless you pay for tailored fit clothing, you can look like a bit of a block. Now, Tom sent me one of these to have a look at and just give you guys my thoughts on, and to be honest, I absolutely love it. First of all, it's incredibly comfortable. They've got this hyper stretch fabric, which stretches, as it says on the label. They are an athletic company. They wear jeans which, as a side, you can do your workouts in. Obviously, no one's going to work out in a formal top, but I have used this to see if I could do a full Olympic lifting session in, because the name is Olympvs. So there are some videos on my Instagram of me tooled up in the jeans and the smart shirt doing some full cleans and front squats and some overhead pressing. Yes, it lives up to the claims that they've made. You can do pretty much anything in this fabric. It's hyper stretch. There's nothing wrong with the seams when stretched. So I'm a 48 to 50 chest, depending on how pumped I am that day. This is the largest size shirt they do. Now it fits very, very well. There's a small noticeable gap at the front if I'm on full flex mode and I'm pushing my chest out and flaring my lats, but you don't walk around like that all day. I've worn this probably 8 or 9 times for a prolonged period to conferences, to the Christmas party that I went to recently. I've used it for a lot of stuff. I wore it in the Butchers the other day when doing some educational filming. So it has seen a lot of use, and on the whole, it has kept its colour. This is an ivory white shirt. They also do a nice sort of lighter powderish blue sort of colour. Fit wise, there is plenty of room for the shoulders. You don't have the annoying peaks that appear on the shoulders. If I spin round, you can see those of us who have the wider backs, it's nicely cut in, yet it still keeps its fit, its drop down. So the way they've tailored and the way they've cut this shirt, this sort of sweep in, this stretch fabric, it appears to allow them to do this little sweep in, which is really nice for those of us who are fed up of looking like they're wearing ponchos because maybe they have larger chests and shoulders, maybe larger arms. So, like I said, it can be really, really difficult to get shirts that fit properly, and it's a horrible process trying shirts on in the shops and finding that they just don't fit. Shirt after shirt after shirt. I won't go shopping for trousers and I won't go shopping for shirts unless I'm going somewhere ridiculously expensive where I know they're going to fit, and then I don't want to go somewhere ridiculously expensive. So this shirt retails for £75. Personally, that seems like a lot to me normally, but having worn it around a lot, and I'm very, very comfortable in it. It's very lightweight. I get very hot. I'm a very sweaty person. I have no issues with this. It's very breathable too. Those things make it, in my mind, worth getting at least one for your collection, even if you keep it just for special occasions. I will be wearing these shirts. I'm going to pick up one of the blue ones from them as well, and perhaps another white one, just so I don't wear through this one. And I'll be using it for everything from when I'm going to meet people who I'm trying to impress, when I'm going to conferences, when I'm teaching. It's that versatile. I like that it's not restrictive as well. I like that I have no fear jumping on a bus or jumping into the car or throwing my bag over my shoulder and doing anything I need to do, I can do it in this shirt. There's a little bit in me, the sort of like fantasy loving geek in me likes to think that I could be wearing this come a zombie apocalypse and I could still climb over walls, throw punches, find myself a chainsaw and fashion something out of the end of a kayak paddle which I could double blade, that sort of thing. I like that in my clothes. Lets me escape into my little dream world in my head. So anyway, my thoughts on this shirt. What are the good points? Well, the good points is, it fits really well. It stretches perfectly without looking like it's overly tight in certain areas. The fabric doesn't thin. I was worried you'd be able to see, like, I didn't want to go for a white initially. I was worried you'd see my skin through it. White shirts have a tendency to go see-through, especially for myself. The negatives, the buttons, I love them. They're very well done. They look nice. But because the whole stretch fabric is stretch, a little bit of an issue occasionally when you put these to their maximum usage, that a button may pop open. And that's only going to happen in the extreme cases, I would think. Easily remedied with slightly larger buttons. And you know, Tom, the guys at Olympvs, they're really open to feedback, so they will be listening to everything that I say right now about the shirt. So that is the only thing that I've ever had a problem with on this shirt, is just the buttons under the most stretch. But then I am of the larger person who would wear this. I'm broader than most people. I'm pretty much putting this shirt to its max. So whether they bring out larger sizes in future, I'd keep an eye on. But yeah, for the record, I'm a 48 inch to 50 inch chest, and I'm wearing the largest shirt they have. Fits lovely. I love that people give me compliments when I wear it. It doesn't make me feel like a heifer. So for me, this piece of clothing is, along with their jeans, going to be a staple for myself.